Fraud is a very well-known word, especially in the research world. There's a guideline to help to prevent this thing from happen, which is called the Standard Operating Procedure. There are 4 types of fraud that happen in the research world, which is the fabrication, falsification, manipulation of images, and data access and retention.
Fraud in research occur due to several factors such as under pressure to produce results. This is common among those who work in the most competitive environments, for example, universities with high reputation in research. Hierarchies too may push researchers to commit fraud because they see this as the only way to achieve a higher status in their field of expertise. Secondly, the desire to publish in a high-profile journal. In recent cases in China, cash payments are paid to authors who manage to publish in high-rated journals. Payments may range from $1,000 for papers published in PLOS One to $50,000 for papers published in Nature or Science. This does not only happen in China, but also in countries like US and UK. Self-perception of being respected and all-knowing is another factor. Researchers might think since they are an expert in their field at such a great level, people may not understand the manipulations they attempt to hide.
Implications of fraud. In cases where research misconduct is detected, there must be a revocation to be done as well as fixing the subject matter. This is because research misconduct has so many implications. One of the biggest effects of research misconduct is the wasted effort due to fabricated papers. Researchers have spent so much energy only for their work to be revoked due to trusting fabricated work. Next, the reputation of researchers and institutions are affected badly due to the losses of prestige. Finally, there are direct financial repercussions due to misconduct in research. Over $58 million worth of research were retracted due to research misconduct in the years 1990 to 2012.
Scientific fraud. First announced in 2004, the scientific breakthrough made headlines worldwide for being the first ever line of stem cells extracted from cloned human embryos. The pioneering experiments propelled Korea to the forefront of cloning research, with Dr. Huang and his team publishing landmark paper in the world's most prestigious scientific journal. But the fame was short-lived, as investigation discovered that Huang had fabricated much of his research result. As a result, he was stripped of his position from Seoul National University and later convicted of embezzling research funds and violating bioethics laws. As a conclusion, the problem of unethical or fraud in scientific research needs to be strictly addressed within universities, research institutions, and workplaces. It is also equally important to ensure policies governing scientific research not only are in place but are followed.